Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can book a Qatar Airways flight using the Student Club. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now I'm on the Qatar Airways website on the Student Club page, and down here some of the exclusive benefits that it includes is a saving with every booking, because you get 10% off when you join, 15% off after your first journey, and 20% off after your second and third trips. So how do we actually book a Qatar Airways flight and take advantage of all of these exclusive upgrades? Well, if you head over to the Student Club FAQ and scroll down to this section here, it says that once a student enrolls in Student Club, they will receive a unique promo code from Qatar Airways to book and avail an offer for their first ticket. So what this means is when you actually enroll in the Student Club, you should receive some sort of promo code or voucher in your email, and you can actually use that to claim your benefits and save some money on your flight. So in order to take advantage of that, you first want to come onto the Qatar Airways website and you just want to look for whatever flight you were going to book anyway. After that, it will start loading in and it will show you all of the available flights that you can choose. So from there, you just want to choose either economy or business and click whichever one you want, and then you just want to make your way to the confirmation page. Now once you've filled in all of your personal information, you will get to this trip summary where you can just overlook everything and make sure it's all correct. And now when we get down to the bottom, we'll be able to see this redeem voucher section, and this is actually how we claim our student rewards benefits. So we just want to put our name in here, and then we can put in our voucher code here, and then we can go ahead and click submit voucher, and the total price will go down based on what sort of discount you have got. So that's exactly how you can book a Qatar Airways flight using Student Club. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.